So Nadia, are we busy?
Yeah, we're very, very, very busy.
There's different pastas for different moments in your life. This is a great example of the busy moments. Can you grab me your favorite pasta bake? Okay, what did we get?
We got Fiori Marinara.
You love this one too, right?
Can I help you?
You can help me. So you have a really good fresh mozzarella, you have our tomato sauce, and a cool noodle. We use a semolina flour, we use farm eggs, we extrude the noodle. It's a fresh noodle. The cheese, it's gonna melt in there and create an even more craveable, wholesome meal. So as it goes through this process of being made, frozen, and then into your oven, you're still getting an al dente noodle. And if you are busy and you're a mom like me, this is the best solution and you're getting really good food. And then we're gonna put it in this oven. There you go. It's also a way for us to actually make the actual food from the restaurant, from our team. Will you help me make a salad?
Salad, yeah.
Put some arugula in there.
I'm putting on some cherry tomatoes.
Grate some cheese.
We're gonna grate some cheese.
There you go. Do you like lots of cheese?
Yeah.
And then olive oil. Well, I think our pasta bake's ready. Should we check?
Yeah. It looks really good.
Okay, I'm gonna let you garnish.
Okay. Lots of cheese.
All right, let's take a bite and you tell us if it's good. Cheers.
I'm gonna be honest, that's really, really good.
Thank you.